Hello, kids! Today, we are drawing a daddy lion and baby cub. First, we draw the face of the daddy lion. Daddy lion has strong, big, round head with a fluffy mane all around. Now we are drawing strong eyes and a fluffy mane all around. Daddy lion looks like a big, hairy crown. So handsome, Daddy lion. Now we draw Daddy lion's strong body, 4 legs, and long tail with a fluffy end. Next, first we draw the face of the baby lion. Small, round head, no mane yet. Big, big, shiny eyes and super cute smile. Did you know that baby lions are called cubs and they love to play chase and tumble all day? Now we are drawing baby cub's playful body, little legs running and curly tail. Oh, so sweet. So adorable, baby cub. Did you know that only boy lions have big manes to look strong and protect the family? They roar so loud. Roar! You can hear them far, far away. Wow, King of the Jungle! Let's coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super, Sir Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my
like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.